Good morning everybody, this is Tim Hewitt-Coleman, and Popina and I are building freedom today at Pebble Spring Farm. And you know why we're building a rabbit hutch? In fact, it's not a rabbit hutch, it's a double story arrangement. You see there's a rabbits underneath and chickens on top. Do you know why we're doing this? Because we can't buy one in the shop? No, we're doing it because we're tired of running lives through the year where we're delegating to somebody else. We'll be giving somebody else instruction to make our clothes, to make our coffee, to do all the things we need. Everything in our lives we do by proxy. What does that mean for those of you that are English second language? We get somebody else to do it. And once a year, at very least, I encourage all of you to do what we do here, is do something by hand, yourself, from scratch. You know what I can guarantee you? It's not going to be as neat, it's not going to be as tidy as what you'll find made for you from Mr. Price Home, or from Edgar's or Woolworths or Builder's Warehouse. I think they would sell a rabbit hutch for you. It's not going to be as rickety, it's not going to be as crooked as the one that you can make yourself. But the one that you make yourself puts you in a strange meditative zone. It puts you in the zone of, wow, this is how it feels to be responsible for my own life and doing my own things with my own hands. Yes, we use tools, and here we have a very simple handheld drill. We use a handsaw. Popina, show us the handsaw there. We use the handsaw. We use a tape measure. Those are the simple tools that we use. But we are free. We are free because we are not made slaves to the people that we make slaves for us. Does that sound profound? I didn't mean it to sound profound. I'm just talking about what's in my heart when I'm out here in the sun building a rabbit hutch. This is Tim Hewitt-Coleman wishing you all a fantastic 2018, building freedom out.